Hello, guys. This is Gold Sniper here from XAUUSD, and let's begin our analysis for today. So, today was a very interesting day, okay, because our analysis was partially correct, but at the same time, the trades which I took, I made certain mistake. I took contra trade that is against the trend, and ended up paying up a little bit heavily today. So, I'll show you first of all what I said yesterday. So, I'll just bring up my yesterday's. Give me a second, yesterday's plan which I shared with you guys. So that is here. So if you will see yesterday's plan which I had shared, this is not 12th June, this is 11th today. Okay, I've written it mistakenly. So I had written gold is bullish. Our strategy is to buy on dips at key support levels. Any downfall most likely engineered by big players to trap retailers and get entry at cheap prices. Look for reversals. This is what I told. Our view was also correct. Gold is bullish. And our first trade that I gave, this went slightly wrong because gold gave a breakout above 1930 in the Asian session, which I was not expecting, and it was especially fueled by, you see, the inflation data which came from Germany. That's what fueled this rally. Okay, and there was a short covering also in the gold. So this one was wrong. The first one, the second trade which I gave, not the 1925 one. Okay, yeah, the 1925 one actually came correct, because in the morning, if you will see price of gold, if I'll show you in the 5-minute chart. Okay, in the morning it was consolidating near somewhere near 1925 only. So if we had taken a buy call, you see all the other targets came actually. 1930, 1935 also came, but not 1940. This happened, this spike, you see, this was due to a short covering rally which came. Okay, that's why you see such a huge spike over here. But anyways, this second trade which I told you, that was a success, and our view was also correct. Okay, gold never came till 1920, so we can ignore that. But overall, even not even 1915 also, it was super bullish. Okay, so we can say one trade correct, one trade wrong, but the view was correct. Now we will look at today. So now if I take the 4 hour, the 4 hour view of gold, if you will see, like I said, the head and shoulder pattern, okay, it is still continuing, and we have given a breakout above this head and shoulder pattern, and right now we have given a closing above the neckline, which is around 1930. Okay, so as long as my expectation for tomorrow is, what I expect in the Asian session is the price will consolidate in this range. Okay, if like today, I'll show you again in the 5 minutes. See here, yesterday and today morning. Okay, price consolidated. I'll just draw a rectangle. So price consolidated in this range. Okay, and from this range it gave a breakout. Okay, and it moved up. So similar thing, we can expect it. See here also, again somewhere around 1930 range, price is consolidating. So tomorrow it is very likely possible, after consolidation, gold can give a breakout and again attempt up by at 1940, or or another possibility is that gold can come down till 1925 also. Okay, it has not been marked over here, but 1925, if it comes at 1925 also, still our strategy is buy on dips. If it comes to 1920, then also it's buy on dips. But most likely what I think is going to happen, it's going to consolidate here and then attempt at least till 1940, it will attempt to reach. Okay, but 1940 is a major level, because you have this channel which is coming over here. Okay, on the hourly charts. One second, I'll just put it. um, for some reason I'm not able to see that channel. Just give me a second. Yeah, okay, so I'll just remove this EMS. Okay, so now, yeah, so we, as you can see, we are very close to this channel, and the key thing tomorrow is a very important event coming. That is the US CPI inflation data. If the inflation data is in favor, we can see a massive breakout like till 1960 level rally, you can see. But at the same time, if the CPI data is disappointing, then again you can see a fall like sort of fall. If you will see, that is from 1965 to like 1910, such kind of fall you can see. Like again we can break 1900 and test the lower end of the channel. It is very likely possible if the CPI data is disappointing. But as per the chart structure and everything which is happening, all the developments which have happened, I think most probably the CPI data will come in favor, and we can see a very big breakout tomorrow. Okay, so our trading plan for tomorrow is, as long as price is above 1915 or above all, at every major supports, we are going to attempt a buy. So if at price is consolidating tomorrow near 1930, buy with a $5 stop loss, or a stop loss at around like 1925 or 26, for target of like 1935, 1940. Okay, if gold comes at 1925, buy again. If it comes at 1920, buy again, all with like $5 stop loss. If it comes at 1915, also buy again, because it hasn't broken, because from here the breakout came. Okay, so I don't expect to be this also to be broken. Okay, so tomorrow our overall view is also bullish only. We will, look for buy side. We are not going to trade against the trend. We will play in favor of the trend. Okay, it is just buy on depth at every major support. That's it. So that's our strategy for tomorrow on gold. And one more thing I want to tell, if you want to, if you want to, see how gold is going, how, if you want to, you know I mean, see if the news is positive or negative, what you can do. Okay, and a way of identifying if gold is gonna go up or down is, you can split the screen tomorrow when the inflation data is gonna come. Okay, like this. So on one side you have XA gold chart, on the second side you can have dollar index. Like hourly chart is okay. Yeah, like this. Then the third column you can have the euro USD, which is on the hourly basis, hourly chart. And the fourth column maybe you can keep. I think fourth is not required. Just these three, okay, maybe you can add something like, maybe GBP USD, but these three are more than enough. Okay, so if the CPI data is in favor of dollar, okay, what you can anticipate is that dollar index will go down further, euro will rise, okay, and gold will also rise. This is going to happen if CPI data is in favor. If CPI data is against, is the inflation is higher than expectation, then dollar index will shoot up, euro will fall down, and gold will also fall down. So that's how, we can, use this to analyze you know what can, to interpret what is the news, is it positive or negative. So this way you can do. And again, now, getting back, I'll just, write it down in my, otherwise, okay, yeah, you can join me in my Telegram channel. There you can find this, that this PDF file which I share with you guys, what you can trade for tomorrow. Okay, that will help you a lot. Okay, to how to trade and all. Okay, our plan is very simple. We are playing in favor of the trend, and like I said, as long as price is above 1915, we will buy at each of this level. Do not Will not attempt sell. We are not playing against the trend. Only below 1915, we can look for shorting. Below that, do not look for shorting. Okay, that's all I want to say. Thank you, and have a great day then.